Welcome back to Garden of Treats. I am in the field, in the garden, and I'm going to show you what we still have growing. End of season, we are in Zone B. It is almost October, and I'm going to show you what's still out here in our garden. To note, we did not plant a fall garden because we want to get the field ready for next season. And so as you can see, we have cut down both fields. We used to call this the east and west field, and this the north and south field. The reason why we're going to change it is this will now be the orchard. So we already started the orchard. If you can see back this way, we already started the orchard. There's a grapevine, and then there's some trees. Stay tuned for our orchard walkthrough. There's an elderberry that started over here in the field. That's the first tree we started in this field, is the York elderberry. And so we're just gonna keep on chugging through there with some fruit and nut trees. And then this will be the garden. So this is still a pretty big space. It's probably about, I wanna say, half an acre. And so this will be our garden next year, because we didn't even get close to using this full garden this year. So next year we plan to use this, and we started laying some cardboard so that we can keep the weeds out. This will be our way to keep weeds out. One of the ways. We have multiple ways, but in this video that's not what I'm talking about. But I did want to give you a quick update on what we're doing. So that's what we're doing right now. We're laying cardboard, but while I wait for them to bring more cardboard, I'm going to show you what's in our garden. But first, like and subscribe to this video. So I'm going to start furthest south. So we have some honeydew melons here. As you can see, they look beautiful. So we did harvest one of these melons, and it gave a cucumber-like taste. So I don't know if it was ready yet. It might have cross-pollinated, but I just don't think it was quite ready. So I'm going to let those sit on the vine for a little while longer. And then in this row, we have some banana peppers. Lots of banana peppers. We harvested so many, we've dehydrated so many, and at this point, I'm just ready to give them away for free. That's how many we have. We still have some green beans, it looks like, on the plant that need picked. But I'm probably just gonna let those dry out and get the seeds from them. So let me show you some things up close, because I know you want to see up close and personal. So let's go to this honeydew. So yeah, that kind of did look like it got cross-pollinated with a cucumber. But I'm gonna take that and see what it tastes like. Here's what our banana peppers look like, up close and personal. And then I said green beans was the next thing. So you can see right here, ooh, something just smacked me in the face. If you can see right here, this is green beans dried out, and I can collect these for seeds. So I want to leave these just like this, and these are some that you can harvest for fresh eating. We have lots of okra, but you know, the okra, I think we planted okra too late. So they're growing really big right now, and they give a woody-like texture when they're big. So what I'm doing is I'm just going through and letting these grow out and dry out, and I'm gonna collect all these for seeds next year. So this is our first year gardening on our farm. This is our new location, and so it's really, most of this gardening this year has been to get our feet wet and then mostly save seeds. So I have a bunch of broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage seeds that are down this row. That's what this was. So this is mostly broccoli, cauliflower seeds. We have more peppers. We have cayennes that look beautiful. I'm ready to take those off. We have some Anaheim, which is a mild pepper. And look at this one, it's red. Oh, they're gonna love that at the market. More cayennes. We have some bell peppers in this row as well. Let me find a nice one. Here's a red one. Here's a red bell pepper. That's this row. And my favorite thing that I've grown this year is pumpkins. Let me show you pumpkins. Let me show you this pumpkin. There's a pumpkin. I can harvest that now. And we got the greens back here. So I can definitely harvest the pumpkins I want. Here's some more pumpkins growing. Hi, Marley. These are some Hungarian wax peppers.
Puppies!
Right here, Hungarian wax. Hey, you took a pepper. Hey, you stole a pepper. Say no, I planted these.
Bandits!
No, we're not going over there. Come here. Let's look at this pepper, this pumpkin. Babe, guess what? There's a turban pumpkin. It has like a hat on its head. This is the turban pumpkin. Look at how pretty. And there's beets over there? So yeah, we're gonna get back to laying this cardboard, but I wanted to show you what was still growing in our garden. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to the video.